What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have some exciting news. We're still working on the Camaro, but we can't leave well enough alone, so we might have picked up a new project. Stay tuned, and we're going to give you a glimpse of some of the parts we're working on right now. All right, welcome back to the channel.
Hello.
Like I said, Nathan is working on a new project, and we are excited to show you the parts that we have and maybe give you some ideas on what it might be. We actually have to kind of piece the truck back together. Oh, I done messed up.
What?
I said truck. Okay, so we might be getting a new truck. Okay, so we are getting a new truck, but it's used and it's old, and we're excited. So Nathan is out here wire wheeling the control arms. They're all disassembled. How's it going, Nathan?
Good.
Good. Tell them about the nachos, man.
I don't really want to talk about it.
So Nathan had some nachos, and what it do? Cut the roof of your mouth. And if you all have had that before, you can relate. The pain is terrible. So he's been talking about it for a few days. So here's the workbench. As you can see, we have all Moog suspension, ball joints, components, and we are going to reassemble these control arms, paint them, and get them ready because the truck is actually disassembled. And it can't roll. So we like to buy them like that, right?
It gets more work, but it's kind of enjoyable.
Right. The cool part with this is the truck is all complete, but the guy started the project. He took it, well, basically like ours, right? So he took it all apart, and now it's ready to be put, well, not ready to be put back together, but we can put it back together and kind of have a fun shop truck. So I don't know.
The goal for this week is to get it a roller.
Yeah, for sure. Good goal. I like it. So I don't know how many trucks one person needs, but we're going to get another one, and we're going to show you all what the truck used to look like. And just stay tuned, because yeah, we're making videos, and we're going to piece this all together for the control arms and get it back together and get the spindles on it. And yeah, we're excited. So hopefully this coming week we'll be able to get the truck here. So, all right, Nathan, what do you got going on?
Wire wheeling.
Wire wheeling or cleaning up the control arms. All right, guys, thank you for checking it out. We're pumped, and we'll send you send you some more info once we get it. All right, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you all so much for checking in, and we'll see you later.
Bye.
Okay, so here we have the control arm stripped. We were just using wire wheels and things like that, brushes to get the majority off. They're not blasted. This is just going to be a driver, so we still want to do the best we can. So we've been stripping them, cleaning them, and now we just paint them with the VHT epoxy paint, and I really like it. If you look, it's rust and salt resistant, no primer needed. So I've had good luck with it. It's not as durable as a powder coat or something like that, but if you look, they're turning out really nice. It's the first coat, and we just got them painted. So I wanted to see how they're going to look. We're going to have to hit them again, but this stuff dries really nice, and it leaves just a nice satin finish. Yeah, so we're going to get this done, and then we're going to go ahead and reassemble them with all the new components, all Moog center shafts. There's one, and control arm. These are the cross shafts, and then you have the ball joints. So love the new Fuel Milwaukee Impact, by the way. That thing is a beast. So I really like that. It's just nice not to have to take an air hose everywhere, and it's plenty powerful, probably more powerful than my air impact. So, all right, we'll give you another update when we get it going, maybe a time lapse. All right, guys, here we are. All the paint's dried. As you can tell, it's got a nice satin finish. The pollen's out a little bit today, but man, these look pretty good for a wire wheel and scuff and shoot. What we have going on over here, I got my blanket set up, and we're assembling everything, turning out real nice. I went ahead and torqued this side off, and we got the fitting in there, the grease fitting, Zerk fitting in there. We got them lubed, and basically you want these to torque off, these right here that screw into the control arm at 90 foot-pounds, and then you want this center shaft centered for your distance from here. See if I can do this, from here to there. And that's what we got going on. And next is the ball joint. So yeah, let me get you set up and we'll work on this. Okay, now as you can tell, we have the upper control arm that looks really, really good. All assembled and ready to go. So we're going to move on to the lower ones and see how that goes.